So what's up guys? Today we have a 6x6 example source with redux because my last examples on 6x6 were like 6 months ago and wasn't even the whole solve. So I thought I would just do that. Comments will be in the description. And yeah, let's just start with the first one. So yeah, I don't actually see anything too great. I mean, here's a 3x1 on white. There is a 2x2 on yellow with this one to create a 2x3, and you can make an outer bar on red or also like middle 2x4s on orange, but I think the easiest center in this scramble is yellow because the first 2x4s 2x4 can be done with bringing this centerpiece right here, then doing an F prime to preserve this 2x1, and then doing an L white to bring this 2x1 right here. So we can then just do a U prime, R white, U2, R white prime to create an outer 2x4, like so. And we already saw the like this centerpiece, I don't know how it's called in English, which is in the back right here. So we can just bring that right here, and then we will do a U white prime because we can just bring this centerpiece in this position. Then we can either do a bar easily or extend it to an outer 2x4, but I think a bar will be easier, like so. And we'll insert this into the back, and we will do an F before that, or an F2, just to get this corner centerpiece not on the opposite side of the center we were trying to build. So we can just easily finish the outer bar. The pieces are here, 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 and here. So we can just do an R white, U2, R white 2, and the slice. And we can now do an outer 2x4 with these pieces and this right here, this whole thing. We'll just do this almost 2x4, I mean 1x4. Then we'll match these pieces up right here, and then we'll just do this 2x1, which will be done with this and the centerpiece, like so. And we'll just insert this into the top layer, and we can do a middle bar right here. Just bring this right here, and a 3R white 2, yes, to pair the middle centerpiece up. Then we will insert this to the white layer, and we always saw the 2x1 before for the outer layer, which is here in the back. Oh, forgot. So we will just create the outer 1x4. Sorry. and also insert this into the white, and we will then continue with the wet center because it always looks really easy with an easy 3x2 with about 2 sexy moves like that. And then we'll just do the outer 2x1. We need this piece and this piece, and I don't want to search any longer, so I just slice this down. And now that this 2x1 plopped up, we will do an outer bar because we already have the other center pieces for the outer bar right here. So we'll do an F, a U and R right 2, yes, and just slice to make that center. And we always see we are really lucky because there's a blue bar already built for us. So we'll just continue with the other wet center. And I think I will probably do this while preserving this 3x1. I don't know if that's actually the best option or the most efficient option, but it's just what I would just see first, like so. And then we will create the 3x1 on top and finish the 4x1 and slice it down. And now we have these 4x1s which can be paired up and inserted into the bag. Then we will do the inner bar right here. Also insert this into the bag. And we always saw here that this corner is in a very good position because then we don't need to do any weird sexy moves. Like so, just pair it up. And now we have an easy case for orange, just do an F. So sometimes I don't look at the center that needs to be in the front, but which goes on top, because it's just easier to build. But then I will just build it at the back or in the back because I don't like these F moves. So I just do an F and create this bar and insert. So I have a 2x4 right here. And then we will do an I think I will do an outer 4x1 first, right here because it's just so easy. And then the inner 3x1 right here, so we can do a commutator later. I don't hate commutators. I think they're quite okay. So I'm not actively trying to avoid them. So just take it. Now we have a quite good edge case for orange and green right here. So we can just slice it up and rotate. And here's the other piece. So we insert this into the front. And we'll probably do the green and red pair after that, because it's just what I see right here with the other pieces. Just pair them up like that. And now I don't see any more green and white pieces, so I'll just continue with another edge, which will be here the green and white. Here, 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 and here. So we will slice and replace it with this green and white piece, like so. and we will flip this one, pair them up, and replace. Now I don't see any good cases anymore, so I will just probably put this into the E layer, this 2x1 blue and red, so I can use it later after flipping, which is good because there's the other 2x1 to finish it off. So we will rotate, because then it's also easier for this green and red piece to be connected right here, like so. And then we will do red and yellow, just insert this into the front, and then we'll probably do blue and yellow, like so. I will just check in the back if there's any stickers. No, so we will just insert the orange and yellow 201 right here and flip. Now there's the orange and yellow 2x1 and the last blue and yellow piece. So insert and just pair them up like so, and then we will do the orange and white pair last, like so, and insert this into the D layer like this. Now we will do blue and white, which will be a really easy slice case combined with a cycle. So we'll take the edge out that doesn't have blue and white, which will be this one, the back left. So we will just slice with U prime, flip, and slice back so we can finish this edge. And then I will just replace it and slice back. Then I will probably just do the middle edges first. So I will take this edge out, then slice and insert. Now we can do a few things, but because this needs to be flipped and this needs to be flipped and it doesn't have a parity case, I will just do a for U white, then flip, and then replace it with this one, so we can finish all last three edges. Yeah, and then just 3 or 3. Just finish for quite okay cross solution. Yeah.